Hi guys, I'm Jo Pickering from Ray White in Kingsland, and together with Tim Hawes, we have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market number 13 Richbourne Street here in Kingsland. Now, this is the quintessential Kingsland bungalow, recently renovated, 3 very generous bedrooms, recently renovated bathroom. It's perfect. So guys, you've had a chance to look through the video and hopefully the photos. We'll be here on the weekend and we'd love to see you. So come and check it out and say hi.